Shot on that damn bird. I guess I was just so excited. Alright, honey, you want to stay on this? You'll stay on the road right here. I'm gonna go along with the bird, with the dogs right on this side. Just stay a little bit behind me, okay? Good boys. Come on, fine. Come on, fine. Wow, these birds must weigh about 3 pounds. Good boy. Good boy. Good boys. Yeah. Good boys. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? They found him. They found him. Good boy, Cooter. Where is he, Cooter? Get him, Cooter. Come on, Cooter. Winged his ass. Alright, let's go find that guy. He's gonna go down. He's gonna go down. Oh, wow. Alright. Alright, you know what? We'll come back to the Cooter! Come on, buddy! We'll get that one later. Come on! Again, I messed up. I hit it in the ass flying away, but hopefully it just we'll be able to find it. When we come back, we'll go back towards the truck, we'll climb up that hill, and then we'll come back down this way. Cooter, my bad. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. I know you wanted that bird. Good boy. I'm sorry, my bad, buddy. You did good though, buddy. I'm sorry, man. I'll do better next time. See, I'd let him down. He didn't let me down.